Now that I have my 3D walls, I will add all the openings. And to add all the openings, I would change my style to X-ray, and I would use measuring tape, grab any vertical line, and place it the beginning of the door opening, and grab this guideline and place it at the end of door opening. Then I can just change it again to the regular view. Now I want to add the height of the door. So again, I guess it depends on your design. Here I would put maybe 84 or maybe 80. Okay, so I don't know, it's you know your design. I don't have any elevation, so I cannot really do it right, but you select the line and bring it to the right height. If you know the distance from the ceiling to the top of the door, sometimes that's even better to bring it from here, especially for some area that you have 2 or 3 different lines. So for example here, if you are not zooming closely, you might grab this one by mistake, and then when you put your guideline, it's not on the surface of the wall. Okay, so if you know the distance from the top, it's better if you bring the edge of the wall down and put the dimension. So in this case, so it's 10 inch. I'm not sure about your design, but I put 10 inch. The next step, I would draw one rectangle here to have my door opening, and see when I click here, it changed the color. It means that it's on the right surface. I select it and I use Ctrl C, and I want to try to see if I can paste it in other places. So I change it again to X-ray, and I zoom in, especially here because I have 2 lines. I want to make sure that I'm in the right place. So then I use Ctrl V, and see, you have to be careful. This is on the ground. I wanted to make sure it's upright. So yeah, here it's good. I place it there. Then I go to the next opening, Ctrl V, and I place it there. If you have problem placing it, so you have no choice but redo the same step. Okay, now I'm good. I can do all of them so far. But just to show you guys, if for some reason when you are trying to put it, it's going in the wrong direction, it doesn't let you to place it. Here I can, but imagine if I can't, I would go grab again the measuring tape, select the vertical line from the edge of the wall, bring it here, grab the same line, and put it at the end of the opening. And again, if you know the height of the door from the top edge of the wall, this is a safer option. So I just bring it 10 inch, and then I would use rectangle, and I draw the rectangle from there to here. And see, I just double check and it's working. So let's go back to the X-ray view. Here, Ctrl V, and if you can do it this way, that's much easier. So that's why I try to put all of them with Ctrl V, and I guess I have all the opening. Maybe this one. I'm not again familiar with your design. I'm not sure if it's the opening here. I just put it. So if it's not an opening, you don't put it. And when I have all the door outline, I would fix the width of the opening. See, this is much smaller than this opening. I just select this line, I go to move, grab this corner and place it there. This one, actually I drew it on the place, so it should be fine. This one, again, it's not the right size. Select the line, go to move tool, grab this one, and see, because I have two lines, again, make sure you're clicking on the right place. This is not the right size. Then I select this one, go to move, grab this one. Let me see, bring it there. Select this one, move, grab this one, and I place it there. This one again, I drew it there, so it should be fine. And this one again, I select it, move it from here to here. So now I would change my style again, and I would delete all the guidelines. Now I would go to push pull tool, and I would make the opening. Click here, and when you see on face, click here. If it's the same thickness, it's not, so I have to do it again. Click here, on face, click. I go here, push it down, on face, click. Hopefully they are the same now, and I just go ahead and double click to match the same opening. And if by mistake, see, this is not the right one, so I just select it again. When I see on face, I click, and now I have all the door opening.